Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. How are you guys?
Halo, Miss Osi.
I'm
Halo,
okay. All right.
Ati.
Very sorry for the technical issues. Yeah. So usually on Mondays we have two classes in line. Okay. So maybe it was a little mistakes. Yeah. Okay. All right. So how are you guys? Are you guys great? Tired? Happy? Or what?
I'm not happy, Miss,
You're not happy. Why? What's wrong?
because it's been raining all day not all day, from afternoon until now, and
Ah,
every day. So if I'm going back to work, it's tiring and a lot of flood in some area. I think
mm,
in Kakak Nurul, Nadia, if you're in Mataram, some places have flood there.
oh, really?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Well, if it rains, why cannot you go back to work, Safitri?
I'm sorry. Yes, yeah, and yeah, I'm going back to work, but it's difficult to reach out the transportation
Ah, okay.
because it's
How do you
raining.
go to work? How do you get to work?
By train, and then after that I take uh, online motorcycle.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Oh, I see. Yeah. So, if it's raining, then the ojo is difficult to find, right?
Yes,
And
and the price is
then,
expensive.
yeah, the price is very expensive, like racking up. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Where do you live again, Savitri? I forgot.
I'm sorry,
Where do you live?
Chibino.
Oh, in Chibino. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
How? Why do you think that Nurul has the same situation in Mataram?
I don't know. I think she's from Mataram.
Oh, you were just guessing.
I'm just guessing.
Ah, okay, okay. What about you, Nurul? Well, I think you go by Nadia, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can call me Nadia, but yeah, this is my name, Nadia.
Okay.
When yeah.
Okay, so is it raining always in Mataram?
No,
No.
just the minggu lalu, just
Last week?
last week, I'm go to Mataram. I'm grab my husband in international airport,
Oh, what do you mean by grabbing your husband?
grabbing menjemput.
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Fetch your husband.
Yeah,
Okay, okay, okay. So it was not as wet in Mataram, probably, yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Well, Safitri, it's always raining in Bandung every day this week.
So
Wow.
wow. Happy but also
Yeah,
tiring,
it's
yeah.
probably not. Well, if I stay at home, if I work from home, that's fine.
Fine, yes, good, yeah.
But maybe for us women, it really deals with the laundry, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
I took laundry because my clothes is not dry.
Mm, I
Difficult to
understand.
find the sun.
Ah,
Sun is
true, true.
hiding.
Okay, okay. Oh, it's everybody's problem, yeah? Okay. What about you, Mang Eding? How are you?
So far so good,
So far,
but
so good. Okay.
yeah, but in here is just cloudy every day.
Cloudy, but not
Yeah.
raining.
Yeah, in the night it's always raining, but just
Oh, okay.
moment, maybe
Oh, just for a while.
yeah, maybe
Mm,
10
okay.
minutes or like that.
Oh, 10 minutes. That's very
Yeah,
short.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
It's very
Well,
hot and lot of mosquito here.
oh no, I hate mosquitoes.
Hmm.
I hate obat nyamuk ya.
Yes.
Okay. Well, where do you live again? I'm sorry, I forgot.
I live in Ngawi, East Java.
In Ngawi. Oh yeah, okay. So Safitri lives in Cibinong. I live in Bandung. Mang Eding lives in Ngawi, and Nadia lives in Mataram. Yeah. Okay.
Lombok Timur.
Oh, in Lombok Timur. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you guys think that it's quite strange that this year I don't think that we already have summer or the dry season? Do you agree or disagree?
Yes, I'm agree.
Yes,
Agree.
I agree.
Actually,
Yeah.
this is a summer.
Oh, now
Actually,
it's summer, but it's very wet. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Well, based on what old man says, orang zaman dulu bilang, this is supposed to be summer already. But yeah, the fact
Yeah,
nowadays, it's really wet. Yeah, it's always
Yeah.
raining every day.
yeah.
Mm.
Some
It's
place
hot.
in Jakarta have flood.
Flood? Where? For
Flood.
example.
Yes. In my friend, she's like contract. I don't know what is contract.
What do you mean, like rumah kontrakan?
In my
Yeah, yeah. Cost.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. She lives. Her room is a second floor, but she cannot go down because there is a flood there. And from yesterday until now, the flood is
Okay.
not going to be
the
dry.
same situation.
Yeah.
Go
Still,
on,
Kakak
Nadia.
Safitri.
Yeah.
The same situation in Mataram to flood
Wow.
because raining and banjir naiknya permukaan air laut.
Mm-hmm. The sea level
Yeah.
is rising.
Sea level is rising. Yeah, in Mataram flood from yesterday until now.
Mm.
God.
Wow, flooding.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because this is a climate change.
Yeah,
I think yeah.
that's true. So is there any flood in Nawi, Mang Iding?
Oh, never.
Never?
This is
Okay,
a
never,
hot
yeah.
country here.
Hot city.
Hot
Okay.
city, okay.
Hot
I want
city.
to live there for a
I don't
moment.
think we have flood too in Bandung. So yeah, thankfully we don't have flood in Bandung, yeah? Okay. All right. Are you guys ready for today's material?
Okay, I will try.
Okay, what is our
Okay, I will try.
material? What is our material
recruitment.
today? Fair recruitment.
Fire
Okay.
recruitment.
Yeah, so it's supposed to be fair. Harus adil, yeah? Okay. Fair recruitment. Okay, I'm going to share this with you. Okay. All right. So this is in our context. This is more like to protect migrant workers from experiencing labor's rights violation. What is violation again, guys? Violation? Ayo,
Kekerasan.
kenapa?
Kekerasan.
Kekerasan atau kalau di dalam hak
pelanggaran.
ya.
Pelanggaran.
Very nice. Yes, pelanggaran. Okay, so fair recruitment. In Indonesia, I think, let's talk about the national case first, yeah? In Indonesia, about recruitment, about job vacancy, what aspects do you think that are not fair up till now?
Maybe apa ya, menahan ijazah,
Okay, all right.
Ah.
Holding someone's certificates or
ya,
diplomas,
hold on
yeah?
certificate.
Document deception, document, yeah.
The documents, personal documents, yeah? Maybe our
Yeah.
ID card or our passport, maybe, right? What else? Fair recruitment that we still find a lot in Indonesia. Unfair, yeah, unfair recruitment.
Assessing assessing a fee, overcharging.
That we are going
cut off
to
salary, maybe.
part of salary, yes, okay. Any other idea? Zangre, right? We still have like, we need 2 men, we need 2 girls, you know? So it's based on gender. Also, maximum age. So abroad, I think they don't have that. Yeah, a lot of times they don't have that.
About maybe a school,
Enggak dia bisa.
school,
What do you mean by school?
like
Enggak
mass,
dia bisa,
education
enggak dia bisa ke
background.
yeah,
lockout
grade
teh.
of school.
Okay,
Enggak
yes.
dia bisa
Education
lockout.
background. What else? Savitri, can you elaborate what your answer previously? What do you mean by overcharge?
Yes, overcharge, it means like charging workers with the excessive recruitment fee. I mean, like charging workers not supposed to be, because we're in our legislation supposed not to have like the workers cannot be charged any fee at all. But until now the workers still have the workers still charging, get the apa ya, pembebanan biaya berlebih itu apa?
Like, oh yeah, overcharge fees.
Overcharging, yes, overcharging fees, yeah.
True.
Maybe workers must pay some money for he get a job.
Yes. Maybe it's not bribery, mungkin bukan suap ya, tapi like if you want to work here, you have to buy this form for application form or something, mungkin seperti itu ya. Okay, I know that probably bribery banyak terjadi juga ya, atau suap menyuap ya, kayak aku mau kerja di sini, then you have to pay, juga ada. Cuma mungkin yang dimaksud Savitri tadi seperti kalau mau kerja, then you have to pay for some fees, right?
I think
Is that-
some I think like placement fees.
Placement fees. Okay. Thank you for the clarification. Okay, yes. So we still have some problems, yeah, in recruitment, even in Indonesia, right? Okay. What about unfair recruitment abroad? I don't have that experience. Do you know some?
Yeah, maybe overcharging is very often to when get the case of overcharging.
Okay. For paying for what?
Maybe for apa ya? Calo. Apa sih calo? Calo sering, jadi yang lebih banyak dapat adalah calo. Bisa sampai 10 sampai 15 juta per orang.
Okay, wow. I don't know what calo is in English. Maybe PIM, tapi kalau PIM itu lebih ke
Broker maybe.
okay, broker ya.
Broker ya.
So they've got a lot from people who are actually looking for work. Kasihan ya, belum kerja udah boncos ya. Okay, all right. Thank you, Mang Iding, for the example. Do you have any other examples, guys?
Hold the document.
Document,
Ya, hold.
hold the documents
Yeah.
so that we cannot run away. Yeah, in their opinion, we are going to run away. Yeah. Okay. Yes, Safitri, go ahead.
Misleading information on
Mhm.
the workers on the workers job. A lot
Mhm.
of people doesn't know that there is a risk of being working abroad, so there's the broker have a lot of giving a lot of misleading information on the salary, on the working condition, and the potongan biaya itu potongan apa ya, potongan upah,
Cut off salary. Maybe.
yeah, cut off salary, something like that.
That are not taxes, that are not working taxed.
Yeah, because supposed to be our law mandate, employers must pay the recruitment fee, all the recruitment fee process, but the implementation workers still have to pay the recruitment fee. So the ILO standard is employers pay, not the workers pay. The workers only pay for the documentation like passport, like ID card, ID.
Of course. Even actually, although in some companies, they also pay for our visas, yeah, right? Ada yang harus bayar, ada yang bisa dibayarin
Yeah.
company-nya ya. But of course, for our passport, we need to provide it by ourselves as the worker, someone who looks for work, yeah, job seeker. Okay, all right. Thank you, Safitri and Mang Iding. Nadia, do you have any experiences, or do you know some other experiences?
I think same the Kakak Safitri and then Kakak Mang Iding. Unfair recruitment. I think like unfair recruitment, like document detention, like ID card, and then kontrak kerja,
working contract,
working contract, not transparent, dari by employer to worker,
I
current
see.
worker.
Okay. All right. Thank you guys for sharing. Yeah. So I guess what you told me are the most common cases in working abroad or working in Indonesia. Right? Okay. Shall we start? Okay. So now our job is to match and discuss. We have to match the things here with this. Any ideas? I know there is no reading or listening or anything basing on this, yeah, but we can just, being playful. Go ahead. You can probably guess.
Can I try, Miss?
Okay. Uh-huh.
272 million. International migrants as for 2021.
Okay, this one, yeah. Okay. All right. Any other guess?
I try number one.
I
Maybe. 100.
100? This one?
169 million. Might be in private employment private employment agency worldwide in 2013.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Nadia, your turn.
I think this five until $10 billion illicit or side
Illicit
profit
Profit? Illicit profit?
made from forced labor every year.
Okay. Wow. Billion. Yeah.
Billion.
Wow. $5 billion. Okay. What about these other two guys? Do you guys any have an idea for this?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
50 billion dollars in illegal recruitment fees.
This
maybe.
one, yeah. Oh, annually. So this one would be the last one. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. Well, this is very interesting, this one. If this is indeed the number of the immigrant workers, yeah. If kalau 260,000 migrant workers, that's a big number of workers, right? Do you guys know how many of our own Indonesian migrant workers in 2024, let's say? Do you have the statistics?
Maybe if I hear from KP2MI last month in 9 billion ya, 9 billion
9 billion.
9 juta apaan sih? Million ya?
1 million.
9 million yang terdaftar registration.
Oh, registered.
Ya.
Registered migrant workers.
Kementerian
Indonesia last month.
Yeah, last month.
Wow, okay. Oh, you even have the data from 2025, yeah?
Yeah.
Sometimes I forgot that now is July. This is like in the middle of 2025. Life has been so fast, has been going so fast, right, guys? Okay, all right. Thank you. So 9 million migrant workers across the globe, yeah? Sedunia, ya?
In registered ya?
Yeah, registered one. Sedunia, kan?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Very interesting. Okay. What about the other ones, guys? Let's start with this. 169 million private employment agency worldwide. Private employment agencies. Can you give me some examples in Indonesia? What are their brands? What are their names? Private employment agencies.
Can I try? Private employment agencies is the agency who employed the migrant workers working abroad. But I don't think we don't have any data on that one because in Indonesia, for as I know, the private employment agencies is around 400.
400
400
agencies.
Yes. 400 agencies.
Oh, so
In
these 400
2000,
agencies send people all over the world, right?
yes,
Mm.
400 until 500 lah. They send the migrant workers
Okay.
go to over the world.
Ah,
So
yeah.
I guess
Uh-huh.
the 69 million is a migrant workers. International migrant, it's mean I've been read the ILO information, but I forgot. But they mentioned that there is a difference between international migrant and migrant workers, but I don't know for sure.
I see. Okay. All right. So you are guessing actually this one is for this, yeah? Right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Nadia, your turn. Which one that you would like to talk about?
I
Maybe.
think, sorry, I think
ahead.
side profit made from forced labor every year, maybe like in Indonesia, like migrant workers not get they wage uh, or wage cutting, and then placement fees like this.
Okay, okay. In Indonesia, they don't experience that. Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So we should be thankful, right? Because it doesn't happen in Indonesia.
Sorry.
We should be thankful, right? That those do not happen in Indonesia.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. All right. Thank you. Okay, so we talk about this, yeah, this one. We talk about this one, and we talk about this one. Okay, two left, guys. Go ahead. Anyone would like to speak up?
Okay, I will try. To last is $150 billion legal recruitment. Yeah, it could be.
Could be, yeah.
Because we don't have any data on that, and we know that a lot of migrant workers is work. The term of the convention, UN convention, is irregular migrants, or in Indonesia, government said undocumented migrant is more than the official or documented migrant. So I think it's maybe yeah, it could be like this, because we don't this is the what the I see in the data of the the data of unprocedural migrant worker is higher, and I think it will be impact to the illegal recruitment fee.
Ah, okay. So it's like berbanding lurus ya, Safitri?
Yes.
Okay, that's your guess, yeah? Okay, all right. So we have the last one. This one, 272 million. We chose international migrants as of 2021. Like international migrants in the world or nationally or regionally. Nggak mungkin regionally ya, orang Indonesia aja kayaknya banyaknya segini ya. So what do you think? Any opinion? Go ahead.
Me again.
Huh?
Yes,
Go ahead.
international migrant is international. I think if I wrote some this definition of internal migrant, it's mean like not only the people want to work from this country to other countries, but also like the 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 rich people or unification or the mahasiswa itu apa, college student. So international migrants not only people working, people want to work outside the country, but
People
this,
who live abroad, yeah.
yeah, who live abroad and not only migrant but also like as a college and then they,
People abroad in general.
yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Safitri. Nadia and Mang Iding, any other last words? Wah, sedih banget ya. Any other opinions, I mean, before we move on?
Yeah, I think if international international migrant of all of the world people from the other countries, yeah, not Indonesian. And
Okay.
all, I think this is I agree.
You agree with Safitri's opinion?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. Well, we tried guessing this, yeah, and I think it has been an interesting discussion between us. Okay. Okay. Try to remember our choices, yeah? Okay. Because these are actually the answers. The data. Okay, so 169 million migrant workers. Did we guess correctly? Bener nggak? Guys, I forgot.
Yeah.
Tadi nyuruh inget-ingetnya, saya sendiri lupa. Correct? Okay. 272 million international migrants as of 2021. Correct as well, yeah. $150 billion illicit profit made from forced labor every day. You guess 5 to 10 billion dollars, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow,
I'm
look,
wrong
it's
too.
even crazier. Ini berapa kali lipatnya ya? This
Yeah.
is very sad. Yeah. Okay. Illicit profit made. This is a crazy number, don't you think? Billion in dollars lagi. $150 billion. Wow. Really something, yeah? Okay.
Apa ya? Tera miliar.
Yeah, that's
Triliun.
crazy.
Triliun.
I cannot even imagine how much is the money, yeah? How big is the money? How high are the piling of the money?
I think
Okay.
like the mountain.
The mountain, yeah. Aduh, oh my goodness, wow. That's too crazy. Okay, what about this? Did we guess correctly?
No.
No? Oh, apakah ada yang terbalik ya di sini?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm wrong.
So, this one, yeah? We guess terbalik ya? Okay. We mixed it up, right? Because we said 260,000 international migrants, right? Yeah, ini banyak yang mixed up ya. It's okay. All right, so it's actually 260,000 private employment agencies. Oh, okay. This is a big number as well. I mean, if based on what Safitri said, we have in Indonesia like only 400 to 500 yeah agencies, right, Saf?
Yes.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so this one is 260,000 private employment agency. Wah, ini hanya berapanya gitu ya
How
daripada
many percent?
yang
Wow.
ini ya. Wow.
That's why
Ini
they're rich.
ya, the numbers are really shocking ya guys. Wow,
Yeah.
all these numbers are really shocking. Okay, and then the last one, $5 to $10 billion illegal recruitment fees. Ini juga, even this is already so crazy, let alone this, yeah. 5 to 10 billion dollars are a lot of money. This one, $150 billion, that's even crazier. Yeah. Okay. Collected annually. Yeah, you are right, Safitri. That's why they are very rich. Yeah. Okay. Any other commentaries, guys, from this data? This shocking data? Go ahead.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, enough.
No opinion? No other opinion, guys? Okay. All
No.
right. We can move on. Okay. So, what do you think? We have 3 questions. Yeah. Why do you think forced labor still generates such a large profit today? Forced labor. Why do you think it still gives such a large profit? It still makes a large profit. Why do you think so? You are welcome to give your opinion. Go ahead.
Maybe I try.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Maybe this is in Indonesia or in abroad.
Let's talk about Indonesia then.
Okay. If in Indonesia, maybe the demand or the job is less than job seeker. Maybe that's my opinion. Maybe.
Okay, okay. Because of the number of the jobs
Mhm.
are less than the
Yeah.
total amount of the job seekers.
Yeah.
Okay. So in order to get the job, then we would be willing to pay to get one job.
Yeah. Yes. Like that.
Okay. Nadia, any idea? Oh, Nadia, any idea? We cannot hear you, Nadia.
I'm say idea now, but Kakak Safitri will mungkin bisa.
Okay,
Sorry.
Safitri, go ahead.
Yes, I think like Mang Iding said that there is a poverty still rising in Indonesia, and then the people is difficulty to find a job, so that's why the forced labor still and they need to have like money to get to apa ya, untuk for their own, they need money, they need a job, so that's why the situation is the broker and the private agency use that situation to make profits.
Yeah, yeah.
Like
That's very
they have
unfortunate.
to pay, like because this is difficult to find job here, so they have to go outside, and then they say that yeah, if you go outside you get the salary is bigger than in Indonesia, and then after that, but when they're outside they get pemotongan gaji itu apa,
Reduction?
deduction, ya, salary deduction until 8 until 10 months, they don't have and get the salary, and this is profit for the agency or the broker.
That's not even a salary reduction. That's no salary for 8 months.
Yeah, sometimes they only have like $50. Like in Singapore they have like their salary is around 500 something dollars Singapore. I forgot, but they only have $50 for every month.
It's so
It's a
crazy.
forced labor.
Yeah. So do you think that some private agencies still operates this craziness? Or do you think that every legal private agencies are always truthful to their responsibilities?
No, they don't, because we don't have any law on that. Supposed to be, if you are profit company or you work or you have like business, your profit nggak boleh lebih dari apa
cannot be more,
yeah,
cannot
there be
exceed.
more than 30%. Right,
Okay.
like you have funding or something, your profit cannot be more than 30%. But our research, their profit is more than 30% until 50 until 70, 80%.
That's crazy. Somebody else, some people work so hard and it's the other people who enjoy the benefits.
Yeah. In Konoha like that. In Konoha government.
Bang Eding, I was so sad, and then when you said Konoha, I'm not sad anymore.
So this is apa ya, corruption mentality from Konoha country like that. So if you want to have some you have some job in government, you must pay 1 billion now. 1 billion now. In if you in army, if you in lieutenant, you must pay 1 million. If you bintara, you must 500, like that. This is actually
Oh, yeah, I trust you. Yeah, I heard about this a lot. Really bad, yeah.
not my
It's-
country, but this is in Konoha country sih.
Yeah, I
It's
know. I
in
heard about
Konoha
that
country.
country.
Everything is money, okay, Mang Iding?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay, let's move on to the next number. So, what do you guys think can be done to stop illegal recruitment fees for migrant workers? Okay, wait a sec. So earlier, Safitri told me that the private recruitment agencies are not all of them are not what is that honest, yeah, not all of them are honest, right? So do we have any rules about how high is the recruitment fee should be? Or any agency is free to set the limit of their own recruitment fee?
Can I try? Yes. Konoha again.
This is all because of you.
Konoha again. So we have rules for the recruitment fee in destination countries, but always changes uh, is always changing, tergantung,
Depends on
yeah, depends on the government. The government
our government
invent-
or their government.
Indonesian government, the
Oh.
ruling government, the
Mhm.
ruling government. So it's
Oh
always
yeah.
changes, yeah. So every
I
new
think it also
government,
happens in education fields.
yeah. So if a new government, they're changing the recruitment fee, but we have new law, but we have a law, and then the law stated that for the domestic workers and the vulnerable cannot, the worker cannot pay, so employer must pay, but the workers only pay like documentation, the documentation like ID or passport, something like that. But until now, in the Konoha, yeah, the implementation of the regulation is none.
Very sad. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe I have some idea. Maybe, but the government now is better than last 10 years ago. Now the government have a rule like apa Indonesian government have MOU with Malaysian. Now is very zero cost. If a domestic worker go to Malaysia, he cannot pay anything, just very zero cost.
Oh,
Yeah.
we don't have to pay anything. Yeah.
Yeah, it's very zero cost. But sometimes in broker or in if you go to Malaysia as domestic worker with procedural, you is very zero cost. But if you go to Malaysia in as unprocedural, must pay.
Illegal.
Yeah. Gitu. This is the good news is about in this year. Yeah,
Mm.
in this year.
Okay.
Actually, in Singapore too, there are some agency have the rule that zero cost too, but not many. Little,
Okay.
just little agency.
Okay. Okay. Not many agencies that are violating the rules. Okay. All right. Let's move on to the next number, the last number. Do you guys believe that private employment agencies are helping or harming migrant workers, and why? Let's start with Nadia. Ayo Nadia, you have to give us your opinion. Come on.
I don't. I think I not believe. Because the private employment agency sering itu apa?
Often.
often often make modus make migrant workers to
Okay.
become human trafficking.
Okay. I think this also happens a lot in Thailand and Cambodia, right?
Yeah,
Okay. So you don't
but
believe them?
yeah, but money private employment is not not tidak terdaftar, yang kayak abal-abal.
Unregistered.
Yeah, unregistered. Like that.
Okay. Okay. All right. So you don't trust them.
Yeah.
All right. Mang Iding, what do you think?
Maybe I believe in 1%, just 1%.
1% or
Yeah.
1%?
Just 1%, 1%.
1% aja.
Yeah. I
Okay,
just
why?
depend. Yeah, because in Indonesia still many agency agensi nakal.
Irresponsible
Yeah,
agent.
irresponsible agency
Hmm.
maybe from 400 like Savitri said that 400 agency maybe uh, 3,000 399 that irresponsible agency.
That's very sad.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So welcome back, Safitri. Now it's your turn.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Go ahead. What do you think about number 3?
Number 3, believe private employment. I think uh, uh, the our organization is working with them, like we are educating them, and some of the agencies and knows about the ILO standard. I think there will be the private employment agency will help the migrant worker, especially if they employ the workers, like employ the workers is not like manufacturers or formal workers. Yes, I think because for the formal worker they need to obey or comply with the ILO standard. But for the domestic workers, it still need the process to private employment agency helping the migrant workers.
Okay. Okay. Mang Iding, do you have any idea? Do you have any opinion on Safitri's opinion?
Maybe I agree with Safitri's opinion. If in formal work, in formal job, maybe I believe that agency is very responsible. Yeah, but if in domestic worker, I don't believe. Maybe yes, I just one person.
Yeah.
One person. Just
You still stay true to your opinion
Yeah.
about that 1%
Yeah.
trust in
Yeah,
private
because
employment agencies.
if
Yeah.
there are some case, jadi kalau ada kasus hubungannya mesti yang ruwet agensinya, gitu.
So the private employment agencies are the root of all problems.
Yeah, yeah. Like this. If there are some domestic worker want to go home because about a problem in job or violent abuse and from employer, always must pay if
Fine.
if she want to go home, she must pay some money, maybe in
Like fine or penalty, right?
yeah, like this. If the 1500 15 apa
Yeah.
15 million maybe, or 20 million like this lah. If there are some case from my organization like this.
Very sad. Yeah. Okay. All right. Can we move on, guys?
Yeah, because this is sad story.
Yeah, not until you said Konoha, yeah? Okay. Okay, so we did practice our conversation. Now we are going to practice some vocabulary, okay? So, so you are going to rearrange the following letters, okay? We have like A to Z over here, right? You can see, right? And so to form a phrase or a word related to fair recruitment. Jadi semua yang tadi kita udah obrolin ini ada di sini, okay? And the picture here is the clue. Are you ready? Ready lah, ini cuma tinggal nebak abjad aja ya. And, okay. I have a question. What's with the flower here? What does it do here? The flower. Ideas?
Where is the flower, Miss?
Here, the flowers, the chalk flowers. Flower yang dari kapur.
Oh, yes, okay.
Okay. All right. So if we guess incorrectly, the leaf, not the leaf, the petal will be gone one by one. So ini adalah nyawanya ya. So we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 lives. We have 10 lives. Okay, ready? Okay. Look at the picture and so you can guess. What are the words? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2,
G.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
G,
Okay, we have 1, G.
E, A,
E.
A,
Okay.
A, D, N.
N.
Okay.
N, D,
D.
R,
R.
Q,
E.
Q.
Huh?
Okay.
Q,
Oh, E was.
We have already done E.
Yeah.
Oh, I.
U,
U.
U. Okay.
U.
I,
I.
No.
I.
I.
This is A. This is I, guys.
Oh,
Sorry.
sorry,
A,
Miss.
equal L,
L.
T,
T.
Why?
Y.
Awesome. Gender equality. So between genders, it should be equal or fair. Yeah. Okay. Whoa. So difficult. Look at the picture. Any guess?
V.
P.
V. No.
B.
V. V.
Ah.
F. No. Sorry.
Of apa? O.
No.
Nah.
Oh. V. I mean violation.
Oh,
Violation.
okay.
E.
E.
Violation.
T.
Okay. Well,
Right.
violation of
Right. R.
And
R.
R.
I G H S.
Okay. Violation of rights. Pelanggaran hak. Yeah.
Pelanggaran hak.
Okay. All right. Wow, what's this? Just guess.
R.
F.
R.
F.
R.
No.
R. Yes. R.
R.
A. A.
He or I?
A. A juga. E juga.
I and E, okay.
Nah.
V.
G.
E. F.
B. C.
No.
C.
Yeah.
No. Dylan.
U.
Okay.
T. M
M
And
N S
D
S D. Okay, fraud.
L.
ya L.
And fraudulent recruitment,
Fraudulent.
ya, fraud. Jadi kayak diperes gitu ya, fraud atau kayak black market gitu ya. Okay, alright. Oh, what about this?
A
A,
A
S
S T
T,
T T T
T or T.
T T T T T
E.
N
L
L B O U
U. R.
R
R
Labor standards. Jadi standar tentang pegawai ya atau buruh ya.
pekerja buruh.
Okay, yeah, all right. Whoa, this is a picture. What do you think?
S
S
S
O
O
O
C
C I
I
A
A L
L
D
D
D
I
O
O
G
already
G G
S
S
dialogue
Social dialogue.
U
social dialogue
E
dialogue
Yeah.
A
Social dialogue. So social communications. Yeah. Okay. We have to always talk to other people, right? Yeah, wherever in Indonesia, in Konoha, or abroad, right? Social dialogue is very important. It is a place for us to talk to other people and to give our opinion or be heard, didengarkan oleh orang lain. Yeah. Okay. All right. What's this?
wow
private P
P. R.
R E V
Okay.
T
T
E
Private recruitment.
Recruitment.
Yeah.
Okay.
yay
C
Okay. Okay. Private recruitment. So it's not from the government, right? So it works privately. Yeah. Okay.
Apa ini?
You guys are so
A.
cute. A,
Oh my God. B.
B,
Ah. Wrong.
what is that?
What's that?
that's your
E.
job.
E.
I guess.
E. Ah. Tuh. E. I.
I
I,
What dulu?
yes
the vowels first. Yeah.
Yeah. Fall first.
N
R
And okay. Uh,
S
recruitment
S. S.
S
Recruitment. Okay.
recruitment
Agency.
agency
Oh my God.
Okay. OMG, so fun. Yeah. Okay. Whoa. So it's done. Great. You answered.
yay
Okay. All right. But we still have this. Oh, I think I miss. Okay. Wait a second. Okay. Here. I think I missed something first. Yeah. Okay, we're going to find the definition of the phrases. Sebentar ya, kayaknya lebih baik dikerjakan sendiri-sendiri nih. Wait a second. I'm going to give you the link so you can work on it together by yourselves. Yeah, okay, wait. Okay, this one, yes. Okay, I'm going to put it in our Zoom chat. Oh, okay, go ahead. So, I'll show you probably first before you play it. You have to find the what is that? The pair, yeah, pasangannya. Okay, we'll see. For example, dishonest or deceptive process of hiring individuals for work. Ini proses yang nggak benar nih, nggak jujur. We have to find the meaning ya. Note, okay. Guidelines and regulation. Nope. It's something like that. Okay. So you have to keep finding the answer. Nah, kalau misalnya kayak gini, dianya nggak berbalik lagi, it means that you have found the correct pair. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
All right. Okay, let's do that in 3 minutes, I guess, yeah? Go ahead. Okay, 1 more minute. Oh, finish. Okay. We'll see. Nadia and Safitri, are you guys done?
Yes.
Okay. We'll see. What's wrong? Okay. So let's look at. Okay. So we have fair recruitment. It is carried out within the law. Dilaksanakan dengan sesuai koridor hukum, ya, in line with international labor standards, sesuai dengan standar-standar yang diberlakukan secara internasional, ya, fair recruitment, rekrutmen yang fair, ya, okay. Guidelines and regulations. Any idea what is that? Guidelines.
Standard.
I'm sorry? Labor standard.
Standard, yeah.
Okay, we'll see. Ooh, fraudulent recruitments.
Oh.
Okay. No. Fraudulent recruitments, I think this one and this one.
Yeah.
Yay. Okay. What about this? The concept of equal treatment.
Gender
Gender
equality.
equality.
Gender equality. This
Up.
one?
Up.
No, this one.
Beside, yes.
Oh,
No. The last lah. Kok
No.
ini?
it's
Acak.
in
Jadi
every game,
berubah-ubah.
yeah. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, this one.
Is this one? No.
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 Nah, this one. Near
In
non-public.
No.
The near
No.
non-public.
No.
Oh, this one. This
Yes.
one and this
Yeah.
one. Okay. What about this? Guidelines and
Lapor
regulations?
standard. Yes.
Maybe
Yes.
This one, yeah.
Standard.
This one and this one.
Violation of right.
Okay. So we have found every solution. Okay. All right. Okay. Please do this link, this vocabulary exercise. So this one, you only need to answer the question by clicking this, okay? So you have to fill in the blanks. Blah, blah, blah is beneficial, blah, blah, blah. So you choose from this. For example, you answer this and you check with this one, this blue button. Okay. For example, oh, so that's correct. You can move on to the next question by also clicking the blue button. Okay? All right. Only 6 questions, then 2 minutes, yeah? Go ahead. So very fast. Okay. Okay. So in today's changing world, having open and respectful blah 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 is essential. What is the answer, guys?
Social dialogue.
Social dialogue.
Okay. In today's changing world, di dunia yang sekarang yang cepat berubah, having open and respectful social dialogue is essential. What is the other word for essential, guys?
Important.
Important. Okay. All right. Nice. The next one, we need stricter, lebih strict regulations, and stricter regulations, and harsher penalties. Penalti yang sangat keras ya. For blah 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 because they exploit job seekers.
Fraudulent
Fraudulent recruitment.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, nice. What about this one? The current existing laws laws.
Protecting people from any violence of right.
Violation of rights.
Violation of rights.
Violation
Okay.
of
Mhm. Government should be given control over blah 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 in the future.
Private recruitment
Private.
agency.
Oh,
private
private
recruitment.
Right? So does it mean that nowadays the government does not have any control over them?
Yeah,
Oh,
because one or two person in government is playing to,
oh, they are involved in that.
yeah,
They got the money
kono
as well, yeah.
hakin,
problem.
the basic problem maybe.
All right.
Yeah.
The last one. Maintaining blah 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 is crucial for creating a working society that is fair and just.
Labor standard.
Labor standard.
Labor standards. Okay. Woo! 100%. Okay. All right, guys. Well, unfortunately, the time is up, yeah. But don't
Okay.
worry. Di WAG sudah saya share ya linknya, ya kan? Kan kalau what is that? Oh, have I? Udah belum ya?
Not yet, miss.
Nanti kalau misalnya I will give you the link to this PPT ya. Jadi kalau di linknya ini bisa diklik untuk latihan-latihan again and again. Okay? And I have prepared listening practice. You can listen to this. Ini internetnya aja yang aneh, tapi sebetulnya ada ya listeningnya based on our module, right? And also this one are true or false, also from the module. And we haven't covered this past continuous, tapi di sini saya sudah sediakan penjelasan dan of course ininya ya latihan dan practice. Jadi kalau di linknya ini bisa diklik nanti sama teman-teman. Okay, you can study it independently. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
Miss.
miss. Thank you.
Do you have
Thank
any
you, Miss.
questions before we say goodbye? No?
Not yet.
Okay.
Yes.
So I'll be seeing you again 2 weeks from now, and you'll be seeing Miss Ashanti next Monday. Okay? All right.
Okay.
Bye now, guys. Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Osi.
Thank you,
Bye-bye,
Savitri,
Miss Osi.
Nadia.
Mang
Bye.
Iding, Nadia. Bye.
Bye.